Longcliffe calcium carbonate has been an integral part of the Derbyshire community for nearly 100 years. We are an independent family business founded in 1927 by John Shields. Since then, we have employed hundreds of people from the local area, sometimes across 3 generations.
My family's had a really long relationship with Longcliffe Quarries. My grandfather, he started back in 1966 as a HGV driver. My father then followed in his footsteps, and then my 2 great uncles, they come to the company too, lorry driving, and I started in 2005 as a HGV mechanic. I've got 2 daughters who like digging holes in the garden, so maybe they'll be the 4th generation.
Our family company values are deeply embedded, not only in our workplace, but also in our work with the local community. Over almost 100 years, we've established our name in the UK limestone industry, and we're now regarded as one of the finest and largest suppliers of calcium carbonate powders, granules and aggregates. Longcliffe's high-quality calcium carbonate is produced from the limestone formed under what is now known as the Peak District, 320 million years ago. It is one of the most useful minerals known on Earth, and we supply a huge and diverse range of businesses across the UK. Due to its versatility, our calcium carbonate is found in many everyday items, such as glass bottles, dog biscuits, toothpaste, carpets and paint. Did you know that our calcium carbonate is used in chicken feed to help harden the shells of eggs? As an established industrial mineral producer, we always strive to be a good neighbour.
So here we have an example of one of our permanent air quality monitoring devices that has the ability to send live data direct to the local council, and we are one of the first companies to set up such a monitoring device.
We've invested substantially in our operation to reduce our environmental impact for the benefit of future generations. To create more green energy for our operations, we've installed 2 wind turbines at our Ryder Point quarry. These can generate up to 85% of the electricity that we need, and in working with our local electricity infrastructure provider, we are seeking to channel this into our processing operations. We've also invested in solar power, which provides all the energy needs at our head office. We are continually investigating and assessing other renewable energy sources. Worked-out quarries often make excellent nature reserves. After Longcliffe stopped quarrying at nearby Hoe Grange in the 1970s, we dedicated the site to nature. Now carefully and considerately managed, there are more than 200 species of wildlife in its 5 hectares, and it's one of the best places to see butterflies in Derbyshire. We have long recognised our responsibilities within the local community and greatly value the links we have built. Each year we donate up to £80,000 to a range of local community projects and organisations, from local cricket, bowls and football teams to arts projects and educational facilities.
We are very grateful for all the sponsorship that Longcliffe have given us over the last 5-6 years. The money that they give us goes towards lots of different things in the club. It goes towards machinery, towards the youth teams, towards equipment, all the resources that you need in a cricket club.
The company often hosts visits by local primary and secondary schools, as well as students from nearby universities. As a family business, it's important for Longcliffe to invest in the local community where so many of our workforce live. We consciously select local contractors and suppliers wherever possible. We're also keen to highlight career opportunities in the quarrying industry and inspire the next generation to work in it. Longcliffe is a major sponsor of the National Stone Centre in Wirksworth, launching the Longcliffe Learning Zone, which hosts regular school visits. We recognise the impact mineral extraction can have on a community and a landscape and work hard to reduce it in a number of ways. We excavate and restore the land responsibly, so it's virtually invisible in the local setting. We keep noise and light pollution to a minimum. We restrict our operating hours to the absolute minimum, and whilst many quarries operate 24/7, we don't, nor do we operate on Sundays. But we do operate lorries all year round so farmers can get their animal feed even on Christmas Day. Unusually for a business like ours, we own our own fleet of lorries, enabling us to renew it more regularly with the most up-to-date engines, keeping emissions as low as possible.
I'm James Hopkinson, I'm the Head of Transport at Longcliffe Quarries. People love spotting our award-winning trucks when they're on the road. They always comment about how clean they are and people love spotting them.
We maintain our lorries on site in our accredited workshops so they are safe, reliable and clean. Not only are our drivers trained to the highest standards and given regular refresher training, the lorries are fitted with myriad cameras ensuring our drivers are as safe as possible on the roads. We also run regular road safety events with local schools. Our future lies with our people. We are deeply proud to have team members having long careers with Longcliffe, some working with us for more than 50 years. We also have several generations of families working here at Longcliffe.
My name's Gerald Lees. I'm an excavator driver and I started at Longcliffe when I was 21 on 1st of April 1968 and I'm in my 57th year now. I'm the longest serving employee at Longcliffe Quarries.
Our apprenticeship schemes offer young people a fantastic opportunity to train for a long-term career which can span many disciplines.
Joined Longcliffe as a mechanic apprentice because I've always had an interest in a mechanical background, but luckily this job came along and 14 years later I'm still here. It's been brilliant for career development and it's provided me a lot of opportunities that I wouldn't have received elsewhere.
We are committed to promoting workplace diversity, ensuring everyone has the same opportunities for career development.
Hi, I'm Emily Brown. I am Longcliffe's first female dumper truck driver. I drive 70-ton dumper truck as well, transporting stone from the quarry face up to the crusher.
Longcliffe's family business has been providing local jobs and an essential mineral for use in an extraordinary variety of products for almost 100 years.
We look forward to another century working with and investing in the local Derbyshire community that we call home.